Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, you need to open Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Now select Pair New Device at the top and simply wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Then tap on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this green gear next to connected device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!